Welcome to MQTC episode 004. Before we proceed, I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate Mr. Samuel Ondieki for winning MQTC episode 003. I assure everyone that MQTC is a legitimate program. Participate and win with us. Thank you. A solution to MQTC episode 03 is here with us. The question was, a bus traveling at 80 kilometers per hour leaves a station at 11:15 p.m. Another bus traveling at 75 kilometers per hour leaves the same station at 11:45 p.m. in the same direction as the first one. At what time will their distance apart be 55 kilometers? A solution to that particular question is now here. I want you to follow it very keenly for you to be able to see where you made a mistake. You are supposed to start by finding the relative speed. Remember, the two buses here are going in the same direction. And we know that when bodies are going in the same direction, for you to be able to find their relative speed, you have to subtract their speeds. Now here, we are supposed to take 80 kilometers per hour minus 75 kilometers per hour, which gives you 5 kilometers per hour. But what if they were going in different directions? You were to add their speeds for you to be able to obtain their relative speed. After you have obtained relative speed, which is now 5 kilometers per hour, you are supposed to move to the distance the first bus covered before the second bus started the journey, which is supposed to be the time that the first bus took before the second bus started the journey. Then you multiply by its speed. So to get the time, we take 11:45 minus 11:15, which gives you that minutes. When you convert that minutes into hours, it gives you a half an hour. Speed for the first bus is 80 kilometers per hour. Therefore, the distance was supposed to be 80 times a half, which gives you 40 kilometers. So that is the distance that the first bus covered before the second bus started the journey. The question wants us to find at what time will the distance between the two buses be 55. Already, we are seeing that when the second bus starts the journey, the distance in between the two is 40. Since the first bus is moving at 80 kilometers per hour and the second bus is moving at 75 kilometers per hour, then it means there is no way the second bus can catch up with the first bus. So for you to be able to get the relative distance between the two, you take 55 minus 40, which will give you 15 kilometers. We know that for us to be able to get the time, we always take the relative distance divided by the relative speed. So in this case, we will take 15 divided by 5, and that gives you 3 hours. Because we are supposed to give the actual time that the distance between them became 55, so you take the latest time, that's the time the second bus started the journey, which is 11:45. You add 3 hours, and that will give you 14:45. That's in 24 clock system. But if you want to put it in 12 clock system, it is supposed to be 2:45 a.m. Thank you for listening to me. MQTC episode 004 question is here. Participate and stand a chance of becoming our winner. The question says, by correcting each number to one significant figure, approximate the value of 685 times 0.005. Hence, determine the percentage error arising from this approximation. After you are done, you go down to the comments, you drop only the correct answer. Then you wait until Friday evening. That's when the marking is going to be done. Under your answer, we are going to make some comments whether you won it or you lost. So I want you to be very keen on Friday by 10 p.m. so that you see whether you are a winner. Good luck. Kindly subscribe, watch, share the link, like, and comment. Be blessed. Bye.